Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen Caddy. It's a Highline model. It's a panel van. It's fitted with a 102 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. This van is a used 68 plate. It's also an approved vehicle that has had its 141 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the van, carried out by one of our expert technicians. And now for a walk around the van. To the front, you will notice halogen daytime running headlights. In the lower part of the bumper, you will notice front fog lights. In the centre grille, you will notice a nice chrome strip. It's also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, but this system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving around the Caddy again, you will notice that this Caddy is fitted with 15-inch alloy wheels. All the wheels are in superb condition. Moving up to the mirrors, you will notice that the mirror caps and door handles are painted in body colour. Also, the mirrors on this Caddy are heated for cold winter months. To this side of the Caddy, you will notice a manual sliding door. Moving into the load area, you will notice a bulkhead with a mesh top grille. As I pan the video around, you will notice that this van is fitted with wood ply lining, including the floor. To the back of the Caddy, you'll notice two rear doors with heated rear windows and a rear wash wipe. Across the rear bumper, you will notice reverse parking sensors. As we move up, you will notice standard rear tail lights. The rear windows on this Caddy have been wrapped, so you cannot see inside the load area. You'll also notice a Caddy badge and the VW emblem on the rear doors. Moving again into the load area, you will notice that the wood ply lining has been professionally fitted. Across the floor, you would notice load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. Both doors have this door release catch, and this is the advantage of the catch. This van is painted in Indium Grey, which is a popular colour in the van range. And now for a look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches on both sides. Both doors have some handy storage, as you can see. Moving across the dash, you will notice some more handy storage. As we move to the back of the van, you will notice a mesh grille. This is for better vision for the driver. You'll also notice two comfortable seats in Austin cloth. This now finishes my 360 walk around the Caddy. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you the working controls inside the cab and also some key features on the media screen. I am now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me, you will notice electric window controls. Here we have the mirror controls. This van is fitted with auto headlights. To this side of the steering wheel, you will notice multimedia switches. To this side, you will notice cruise control. This van has covered 24,439 miles. Next we have the heater controls. This van is fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. It's also got a heated front and rear screens. Here we have the temperature control switch. It's also fitted with a 4-speed fan motor, and here's where we can change the direction of the heat if needed. This van is also fitted with a 6.3 colour touchscreen multimedia system with DAB, AM and FM radio. Moving on to the media section, you will notice this van is fitted with a CD player. It's also fitted with two SD card readers, which are here. It's also fitted with a USB and an AUX port, which are down here. This system is also fitted with Bluetooth connectivity, so you can use your mobile phone hands-free. This system is also fitted with satellite navigation. As you can see, it's easy to use. Just pinch your fingers across the map to make it larger or smaller. You can also pull the maps across to find your ideal location. If I pop the van into reverse, you will notice that it's fitted with a Park Pilot technology for your reverse parking sensors. This will warn you of any obstructions when parking. And lastly, here we have the 5-speed manual gear stick. And now for a quick recap over my video. This is a Volkswagen Caddy. It's a Highline model. It's a panel van. It's fitted with a 102 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. If you would like any more information on this used approved 68 plate Caddy, please call 0121 514 0632, and a member of our sales team will be able to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make a live video. This is a more personal and detailed walk around the Caddy. You could also ask the salesperson to book a test drive. You could also ask about the flexible finance options that are on offer if needed. And thank you for watching.